Hello everyone, मेरा नाम राहुल है. आई एम फ्रॉम लॉ फैकल्टी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. Today in this video we'll learn about how to file RTI, that is right to information, online and offline. And as we know that right to information is our fundamental rights, मौलिक अधिकार है, इंस्टाइड इन Constitution under Article 19 Clause 1. 19 article is available to only citizens of India. So we have right to seek information from the public institution, public sector, any public area which is run by public authorities. Like our Delhi University is a public institution which is run by the public authorities. So we have right to seek the information or answer in script of our semester examination. So for that purposes I am making this video, guys. Keep watching till the end to know the process of filing the RTI and even also know more about this right actually as per the constitution. And for that particular purposes, this Right to Information Act 2005 was passed. Okay, so a case related to the right to information is Raj Narayan versus State of UP. You can read to know more about this fundamental rights, right to information. So come to the relevant provision. So come first to the what is the objective of this Act, Right to Information Act 2005? An act to provide for the setting out the practical regime of the right to information for the citizen to secure access to information under the control of public authority. In order to promote transparency and accountability in working of every public authority, the constitution of a Central Information Commission and State Information Commission, and for matter connected therewith are incidental thereto. So this act extend to the whole of India. Okay, and you may know about what is the meaning of the appropriate government. I will share this PDF in my Telegram channel from where you can download easily. I will give the link of my Telegram channel in description box. You can easily access. So come to the relevant provision, who is the competent authority who are responsible for providing the information. Okay, what is the meaning of information actually? But the information is subject to the certain restriction which is actually hamper the integrity or sovereignty of the government or any particular or individual copyright if it is related to the secret of the particular person. So we'll also cover that particular provision also. Right to information means, what is the meaning of the right to information? Definition clause में दे रखा है. Right to information means right to information accessible under this act which is held by or under the control of any public authority, or includes the right to inspection of work, document, records, taking notes, extracts or certified copy of documents or records, taking certified samples of materials, obtaining information in forms of diskettes, floppies, tapes, video cassettes or any other electronic modes, or through print out where such information is stored in a computer or in other device. So it is also available for printouts. Okay, so come to the provision, obligation of the section 4, obligation of authority. So what is the obligation of authority related to the right to information? If you are seeking for right to information from the particular sector, so the responsibility of the particular authority. So every public authority shall maintain the all records duly cataloged, indexed, and in manner and the form of facilities you may read the details. Okay, so come to the section 5 and section 6. So the very important section is section 6, request for obtaining information. A person who desires to obtain any information under this act shall make a request in writing or through electronic means in English or Hindi. Electronic means you can file online also, English or Hindi. Okay, to public information officer or a state information officer, as the case may be, of the concerned public authority which is responsible for the providing information actually. Okay, so come to the to know the disposal of the request, the process of disposal of the request, how many days it will take to provide information actually. The section 7 you can refer for that particular purposes to know about the time limit to provide the actually information. So this is the 30 days, as you can see here. Within 30 days the particular public authority has responsibility to provide the information of particular seeking person of the particular sector information. So in this video I'm going to file an RTI to know obtain the answer script of the semester examination of particular paper. Okay, so you can also file if you want to know, you want to see your answer script of particular subject. So 10 rupees will taken by the authority. If you are a BPL candidate, then it will take 0, but you have to give the proof as per requirement. Okay, so in case of failing the 30 days, within 30 days the particular authority, then you have right to file an appeal, the first appeal, and if the first appeal the period will just expire, then you have right to file the second appeal. This is the later part, but the first initial stage you will have to file the RTI. So come to the process of filing an RTI for particular information. So come to the Google, you have to just write RTI online. Okay, just tap on this. Here the various option, you have to choose second option, submit request. Okay, so then scroll down, you have to agree with the term and condition, and you have to read. If you are a beginner, you have to read to know about actually everything. Click on submit. So from which authority you are seeking your information, you have to select the department of particular. You have to search first the authority. So if you are looking for your answer script of particular papers, so you have to write here. I am just making this video on the basis of the education purposes, and if you are looking for getting your answer script written in your semester exam, like if you are DU LLB student or even any college, from any college, so you have to write here higher education. If you are if you are enrolled in a higher education. Okay, so डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू क्लिक ओके. So you have to choose your university. Actually this is the first option, Aligarh University. Scroll down. If you are a student of Delhi University, you have to click Delhi University. Okay, you have to confirm. That's why you pop up a card. So you have to enter your running email ID. Easily you can get the, you have to write your running email ID. Okay, then mobile number, then confirmed email ID. Okay, then your name, full name. Okay, then you have to select your gender, then you have to select write your address. You can give your contemporary address itself. You have to write your, but you have to provide your original address as per your Aadhaar card. That will be better. So here the pin code of your area, select India. Let's see the other selection करने के बाद क्या आ रहा है. Country name you have to write, but if you are an Indian you have to write India. Select status, if from which state you are, like Bihar, you can select Bihar. Then status rural urban, if you are residing in urban then select urban, if you are residing rural then select rural. Education status literate, illiterate as per your status, graduate. Then again mobile number. Okay, then main is here. You have to, if you are below poverty line then click yes, then if you are not below poverty line then click no. अगर आप BPL में आते हैं तो यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड डिटेल्स, देन आपको 0 रुपये लगेंगे. अगर आप BPL में नहीं आते हैं तो यू कैन सी हियर रेड लाइन में लिख रखा है 10 रुपये लगता है. आपको ऑनलाइन पेमेंट हो जाएगी. ओके हियर. सो now the main thing is requirement here. Text the request application. यहाँ पे आपको मैटर लिखना पड़ेगा कि क्यों आप RTI फाइल करना चाहते हैं. स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए, कंसाइज होना चाहिए. लाइक राहुल फ्रॉम लॉ फैकल्टी, राहुल फ्रॉम लॉ सेंटर 1 फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली. I have given examination of 5th semester. I am not satisfied in the month of this on particular date. I am not satisfied with the following answer. I am not satisfied with the result of the particular paper. So I want to know about I want to show the answer script of particular subject mentioned above. आपको जो भी लिखोगे पेपर कोड लिखना है, पेपर का नाम लिखना है, ठीक है, कंसाइज रूप में लिखना है. और अटैच डॉक्यूमेंट में यू हैव टू गिव लाइक एडमिट कार्ड, और एडमिट कार्ड देना सही रहेगा. यहाँ पे सपोर्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ पे है, ठीक है. हालांकि मैंडेटरी नहीं है बट फॉर पार्टिकुलर पर्पसेज यू कैन गिव. ओके, देन इंटर सिक्योरिटी, यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी कैप्चर इंटर करना है. देन मेक पेमेंट, अगर पेमेंट पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको पॉपअप आ जाएगा. वहाँ पे UPI ATM कार्ड के थ्रू करके आपको सबमिट कर देना है. देन यू विल गिव द like message in your email or on mobile number to after submission of this RTI. So this is the actually process to file an RTI. So as soon as possible you can file to know, because it will take 30 days from today if you today file to obtain your answer script, if you are looking for your to know the answer script. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to know the basic objective of the RTI, right information, and how to file the RTI form actually. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If this video will help you, to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notification on time related to your query, and you can also share. Thank you so much.